What's up everybody, Shubh Boy Gun from Max Gaming and happy Diwali guys. So abhi we are going to Alibag beach camping. First from my place we'll going to CST station. From over there we will take we'll take cab and go to Gateway of India, and from there we will take a ferry. उधर से we'll go to Mandwa and ferry वालों की बस सर्विस होती है. So from Mandwa to Alibag they have their bus service, so they will drop us at Alibag, and Alibag से we need to take an auto और कोई भी sharing vehicle. उधर से हम लोग जाएंगे वो कैंप साइट रेवेंडल फोर्ट करके है, वो बीच पे उनका कैंपिंग है. सो इट्स लाइक वी आर क्रॉसिंग मैनी लेवल्स. So finally we are here in the CST station. We just got down from this train and now we are going out of the station. Abhi we will take a cab, so that cab will take us to Gateway of India. You will get bus also, so you can check on M indicator or on Google Map. But bus abhi nahi le rahe because our ferry is of 10 AM. It's already like around 9:30 होने आया. It's 9:25. So hope so फिर हम लोग मिल जाएगी शायद. telling us कि 10 बजे की फेरी है, so you can directly go to the gate 2 and then from there you can buy tickets directly and then go inside the ferry. So we are going inside now. So at first we were going to gate number 2, but now they make us stand in a big queue. अभी बोल रहे कि यहाँ से विल गो टू मांडवा, इधर से अलीबाग, इधर से एलिफेंटा. लेट्स सी, अभी फेरी तो आ रही है. लेट्स सी.
1 hour later. बस फुली पैक है और अभी हम लोग कैसे तो तीन की सीट पे कैसे तो वे फिट होके बैठ गए. 1 hour later.
So it's around 1 PM and we reached Alibag and now we are just waiting and just drinking some smooth and check-in time is like 3 PM. हम लोग 2 hour पहले पहुंच गए, तो इधर से पहुंचते it's like take 1 hour. So अभी पी के then we'll go at the beach and then we'll check in and then मैं पूरा पे दिखाता हूँ.
1 hour later.
That was our room, small room in the tent behind, and I was feeling very hot because in the website known as Weekend अलीबाग वीकेंड वाइब्स करके, सो ओवर हियर यहाँ पे इनका कुछ और ही नाम है, सी फ्रंट बीच कैंपिंग करके है. सो आर इनकमिंग टाइम लाइक चेक इन टाइम वॉज 3 PM और यहाँ पे उन्होंने बोला था 4 PM को आने को, तो हम लोग बहुत जल्दी आ गए थे एंड इट वॉज सो हॉट. अभी हम लोग ने चेंज किया, फिर अभी पानी वानी पिए, तब जाके थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. तो अभी 4 बजे धीरे धीरे ये जगह भी फुल हो रही है. सो अभी डिनर के लिए कुछ नहीं है. 5 PM को विल गेट मिसल पाव मिलेगा एंड वेलकम ड्रिंक मिलेगी एंड देन उसके बाद फिर हम लोग बीच एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. टिल देन आई एम चार्जिंग माई फ़ोन ओवर देयर. मेरा भाई वहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है, ठीक है, वहाँ पे, ठीक है. सो आई एम चार्जिंग माई फ़ोन राइट नाउ एंड उसके बाद विल एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस. यहाँ से सामने बीच है, ठीक है. सो एक बार चार्ज होने का फिर हम लोग वेलकम ड्रिंक पियेंगे, थोड़ा बीच एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एंड देन नाइट को देखते क्या होता है. लेट्स सी, होप फॉर द बेस्ट.
A few minutes later.
So now we got a welcome drink and it's 4 PM now, about to be 4. So let's enjoy. It's like Kokam welcome drink. Nice. Like we were getting bored inside because कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है. So you can see the place over there. वो दिख रहा होगा वहाँ पे. So हमारा जो कैंप है वो बीच को लग के है, तो गेट से उतर के वी कम हियर एंड द होल बीच, ओ माय गॉड, मस्त व्यू है. अभी वो हम लोग थोड़ा वो आगे तक जाके देख रहे हैं.
सबको बोल के मैं तो चलिया तेरी ओर, तेरा चलिया है जोर, तेरा होया मैं यार में, भूले आए संसार में. चलिया तेरी ओर, तेरा चलिया है जोर, तेरा होया मैं यार में, भूले आए संसार में.
A few minutes later.
It's like 5:15 PM. Now they have given us misal pav, I'm sorry, and coffee. So let's eat and have fun. Because सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया दोपहर से. Finally we are getting something to eat and it's unlimited. तो दबा के खाएंगे.
A few moments later.
मैं तेरी आँखों में उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं, तुझे खुश मैं रखूंगा सुने.
It's 10 PM now and the dinner has started. So this is all the whole dinner and the buffet system is there. So dinner is unlimited. Let's finish. Guys, अभी it's around 7:55 a.m. and now we just woke up and brush our teeth, and यहाँ पे all washroom facilities are given over here. So like three ऐसे washrooms है, changing room है. So now we are just heading towards the beach because it's like 30 minutes for the breakfast to get ready. So let's go there. So finally we are done now. We are just going home, and बस फिर Gate of India जाके I'll show you some Gate of India थोड़ा, and then we'll end the vlog. दो अलीबाग. आगे जाओ. We are standing at Ajanta stop, and जब हम लोग आए थे we catch TumTum from here only. So मैंने सब description link पर डाल दिया. So it's 11:45 bus timing. We are just drinking this Hershey chocolate shake, and then our bus will come from there. We'll go to Mandwa, then Mandwa to ferry, then Gateway of India, then that's it.
1 hour later. For watching up till here now. So I'm going to answer whatever questions we had during this travel. I will answer one by one. So if I answer this question, maybe your doubts will cover for this trip. Okay, so number one, how did we book and went to Alibag Beach? So we went to a website known as Weekend Vibes, you can see here, and over there you can go into Weekend Vibes. They have many different packages like Pauna Lake Camping, Alibag, and etc. So you can click this Alibag Beach Camping of Rave Danda Fort, and over there you can just book any dates. You can see over there, and then you can click payment. You can and clearing number of people, what food you want, veg, non-veg, Jain, and then you can pay online or cash or on one shot only. If you pay online, you can pay half at the time of booking and half when you at the time of check-in. So this is how you can book for this trip. The second question is how to go from CST to Gateway. So if you are coming from CST station, or from Harbour side you can get down to CST station, and when you go outside the station you will get a cab, a sharing cab, which is like 30 rupees per person, and they will drop you in Gateway of India in like 20 minutes. Okay, so this is how you can take sharing cab from CST to Gateway of India, where we can buy ferry ticket. So if you get down at the CST station, अंदर जाने के रास्ते में there is a small section over here, and then over there are like people can buy ferry tickets from there. But during at our time, I don't know, they are not allowing us to buy ticket from there. They directly told us to wait in a queue, and wahi say we need to buy tickets from on the spot only from the ferry guy. So you can buy from ticket from that counter only. Or Maldar, for Maldar you can Maldar ferry you can directly book from their website. I have put the description below. And suppose if you have car, you don't need any bus, you have some family members or friends who will take you from Mandwa to Alibag, so you can take M&M ferry also. Even that you need booking, but I don't know about M&M ferry comes in Gateway. They might be comes to another port, I don't know about it. But Maldar, TNP, Ajanta, these three ferries come at Gateway of India. Which ferry to choose for Alibag, which included bus service? So as I said, for bus service you can take Maldar, Ajanta and TNP. M&M doesn't provide any bus service. They will just take you from particular place to Mandwa, and that's it. I don't know whether the M&M comes in Gateway. I have never seen M&M in Gateway of India. They might. Okay, next. Is there any UPI systems available nearby restaurants or places? Yes. Suppose, yeah, UPI system is available. Like whenever I was exploring nearby places, so there were UPI in every shop, so you don't have to worry about. But still, you carry some cash like 2,000 or 1,000 separate with you. Is there any ATM nearby? ATM, I will suggest you, like when you reach Alibag, that time they have ATM like nearby stand only. There is a bank, you can withdraw money from there, because I didn't saw any ATM nearby the Rev Danda Fort. So you can withdraw money from your place only or from Alibag. So yeah. Charging system, and yeah, like the charging is available in every place. In like particular place in food area there was charging, and in the campsite on two trees on left and right the charging was there. But if you have many people charge at once, so you can take your adapter, a big portable adapter you can connect, and then you can charge many phones with you, or you can take power bank also with you. This trip is for couples, or is for solo travelers, or is for group. So according to my experience, so this trip is very good for couples, like for girlfriend, boyfriends, or husband, wife, or family, or friends group. It's a very good trip. But if you are a solo person, then, and plus if you are little introvert, so it will be okay trip. It will be good when the game start, when the night activities begin, then it's a good trip. But uske pehle, about like during, after, like when you come and you take welcome drink, uske beach ke jo hours hai 2-3 hours, you will get little bored, because everyone is busy in their own group and you will just roam alone here and there. So till that time, like we were alone only, we was not having any group. Me and my brother only went over there. So हम लोग तब तक beach explore कर रहे थे, and then around like 7 PM the game started. Then we had little fun, dance kiए, and then we had barbecue, and then we sat around, we charge our phones, and then dinner started. उसके बाद live music हुई, फिर movie night हुआ, फिर सो गए. Then that's it. ऐसे दिन by दिन you can spend your day. About water sports is available there. Like हम लोग के टाइम बोले थे कि water sports is just near like ब्रीच में ही होता है, उनके सामने होता है. बट प्रीवियस नाइट एक बंदे ने बोला कि नहीं होता वाटर स्पोर्ट, इट्स 15-20 किलोमीटर अवे. बट हम लोग जब गए थे सुबह तो बोलते 8 बजे चालू हो गया था, बट वी वर वॉकिंग ऑन द बीच एट 8 AM. तभी तो पानी बहुत पीछे था, एंड अराउंड 9 AM में पानी एकदम आगे आ गया था. वाटर स्पोर्ट चालू भी हो गया था, हम लोग को पता नहीं. एंड वी वर लाइक ओ शिट, वाटर स्पोर्ट नहीं है. तो हम लोग ऐसे ही बैठ गए थे. एंड जब हम लोग चेकआउट करने गए 9:30, तो देखा जाके वाटर स्पोर्ट चालू था, बट नो वन वॉज लाइक taking part in that water sport. So yeah, other water sports you can enjoy that water sport also. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any queries you can feel free to comment down below, and I have mention every link from ferry booking to the places सब मैंने मेरे description link कर दिया है. And if you enjoy this video, please check out my other videos as well. And I hope you enjoy this video, and as always I say guys, please guys take care, respect your mom, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace out everybody, bye bye guys, love you guys.